Does this mic go all the way down there? Because that's, you know, they're a little more lively than you guys. All right, so I wore my favorite hat. It's my Jelly Roll hat. So in honor of Jelly Roll and the STAR test, I did a little remake, but I'm gonna do it a cappella. Y'all know what a cappella means? Oh. And I'm not that great, but I'm the karaoke queen, okay? All right, here we go. At some point, you might have to help me out a little bit, okay?
You ready?
Here we go. Somebody save me from this test. I spent all year doing my best. They say if I try, I'll have great success. Using my strategies always seems to help. All of this thinking and working is helpful, and I feel like it's all that I need. Something inside of me's awoken, and I'll hold on to it as it helps me succeed. I'm a math boss. Teachers don't worry about me. I'm so beyond prepared. Math is part of my hopes and my dreams. Y'all sing along. I'm a math boss. Teachers don't worry about me. I'm so beyond prepared. Math is part of my hopes and my dreams. Hang on. Hey, what if I tried as hard as I could? There'd be no regrets to listen to.